Hi, this is David Schick. This time I'm going to show you how to use the optical mouse feature of the tap strap. So this is really easy. You just put the thumb glider down on the surface, and then when I move my thumb, I'm controlling the cursor. Now this iPad has got assistive touch on, so it supports a mouse, but any digital device, your computer, tablet, really anything that works with a mouse will work with this. So now that you're in mouse mode, you're going to do the mouse clicks with your fingers. I'll show you how to do that. So I'll go to Safari. I'm going to left click with my index finger. Then I'm going to show you the scrolling function. So to scroll up, I'll use this finger. To scroll down, I'll use this finger. Scroll lock is both of those fingers, and then just moving the mouse to scroll. And then you release scroll lock with any finger click. There's a special click that gets you to the home screen like that. And then the last thing I'll show you is drag and drop. So here, what I'll do is I'm going to lift my hand back in keyboard mode. I'll write drag and drop, like that. Go back into mouse mode. And here, what I'm going to do is I'll go to drag. I'm going to select it. I'm going to do a 2-finger click, which is click and hold. And I'll put it over there and let go of it. And that's pretty much it.